Scientists include manufactured a amazing visualization of Greenland out of its ice lid. It is done of many decades of examination information how show the stance and form of the area's rock, and the nearby seabed. The is crucial data necessary to know how the enormous isle might answer to a heating planet. Were all the ice on Greenland to molten, it would lift world ocean levels by. The is one of the exquisite statistic to go out of the new compile of information. It is a easy calculating, if you aware the height of the top of the ice leaf and you deduct of how the altitude of the rock, you get a amount, 2.9 millionth cube kilometers. It gives us 7 centimeter more than of ocean level capacity, a slight bit more than rather than we mind, but not a entire lot more than, explainable. Dr. Matthew Morliam of the College of California at Irvine, U.S. Or the cause for how is how, though we do discover more profound fjords and more profound valleys, they're really tight and restricted on the sides of the ice leaf. The interior design hasn't changing a many, yet. Greenland is now loser on 260 trillion tons of ice to the sea each year. It sounds a lot, and it is, but not one is waiting an instant crash, not for centuries, at low. However, several of the answers as to how quick changes may go will be in the card's information. Exciting features to browse involve the directed area feed the powerful Jacob's Haven icehouse in the western. Jacob's Haven spews innumerable icebergs in the polar Atlantic, and is accountable for depleting 6.5% of the ice leaf. See at the spinal of Greenland and you will see the mega canyon how rest north to else of the area's big berg exporting countries, Petermann Icehouse. In student the lie scenery, scientists are now quite sure how both of ice streams sit on top of veil system how were cut by rivers how flowed through Greenland length up where was an ice leaf. And it is precise as well how meltwater continues to run downward these valleys, by the glaciers, greasing his stream. The information for the map comes of 3 main source, of onboard radar gun how is capable to permeate the ice leaf to see the form of the bed under, of sea vessels filming offshore, with sounder to map ocean bottom depths, and later where is a extent of modeling in several of the difficult to reach places in fjords, explains bass card maker Dr. Peter Fretwell. About the shore it can be really hard to get wireless echoing shallow, radar gun, since the shallow is frequently crevassed and the wireless wave propagation windy permeate via how. So in several fjords and bays, modeling is utilized, relying on the rate of the glaciers. Of his rate, you can estimation his thick, he told. Where probable, although, scientists include endeavored to get up the fjords to purchase straight information. OMG is conclusion how lot of the glaciers ending in fjords are so heavy they are at hazard of smelting of the invasion of hot sea water supply at deep. Dr. Kelly Hogan, a Bass Company author on the Bed Machine document, found a such image while she united and mission to research Petermann. Largest of the losses for Petermann Icehouse, for certainly, on 80%, are the outcome of hot sea water supply received by the icehouse and smelting it of under, not of berg calving, she told. Yet if you get enlarged smelting of under, you can get big channels shaping on the wrong side of the float front line of the icehouse and the can conduct to dilution and hydrofracturing how later do the icehouse potential more than predisposed to break upwards. Professor Bamber warning, yet, how where is a lot of difficulty connected up in the new card. Several of the mouths to the profound fjords, he says, include high ridges, or sills, how act as impeding to the intrusion of hot lower water. Which we're start to know is how adjoining sea terminating glaciers how are testing the identical changes in coercion, in some speech, the identical changes in the sea, can answer in really various ways, depending on the geometric of the fjord in that they rest.